Hey guys, we're back out here at the farmhouse, and just a little update for y'all. There's not a whole lot to show, but they did paint the fascia and the soffit. It looks really good. The vent up in the gable, my wife wanted it painted white, the duck white, instead of staining it, which I think it looks good. It's all going to look clean and, you know, that classic look that we're going for. So now on the outside, all they really have to do is stain the accents up in the gable. They need to put on the stone, which we'll do that next week, and stain the front door. Oh, they've still got to paint the trim around the front door. He didn't do that today. I thought he finished everything but the stain. So, yeah, around the front door, the trim on it is still white. So he didn't get to that. But they're sanding inside as well. So I'll have to play some music over that because I can hear their music playing right now. But we'll go in there and see what it looks like with them sanding and stuff. It's going to be loud. But yeah, let's take a little tour around the outside. Let y'all see that. And then we'll go inside and we'll watch them sand for a minute. And that's going to be about it until next week. Oh, I think I told y'all that the trim guy was going to come in on Monday. Well, these doors that my wife has ordered are not coming in till Friday, our interior doors. So, and really, you want to set your doors first, you know, and then start all your trim because, you know, your base and everything, they're going to connect to trim around your doors and stuff. And I mean, I guess there's some things he could do, but really those doors need to be in for him to really get going. So, yeah, it is what it is. The stone guy can work next week. And, excuse me, I burped. I just ate Mexican food. And it was a little bit spicy. So, all right, guys, let's go take a look around. All righty. You can see the fascia and soffit have been painted. I just love this color, this duck white. It goes perfect with those almond windows. Everybody wants to do black windows on these white houses. And I think this looks more classic, I mean, that looks better to me. Y'all can tell me what y'all think, but I think that these look, everybody puts black windows on the white houses now. So, I want to do something different. And this looks more, sorry, I about tripped over that. Check this out up here. So, see, we painted that vent white. The duck white. There's a ton of shake up there. I don't know if y'all can tell how big that gable is up there. But it's like, I don't know, probably 15, maybe more than that. Yeah, it is more than that. That gable's like 20 feet wide. That main gable up there. But, yeah, it almost looks like it's bigger than that garage. And that garage is, let's say 24 feet deep, I believe. Yeah, it looks a whole lot better with the fascia and soffit and everything painted. And I don't know if I can get in trouble for that music. You can hear Spanish music. I mean, sure, they ain't gonna get in trouble for that. Nobody even knows what they're saying, I guess, except for people that speak Spanish. I know there's been a couple of videos that I've had that they've stopped because of music, and I'm like, what in the world? It's a piano playing. But whatever. whatever. So this is how much sheetrock we got left over. Get them to come get that. You can see they've been sanded. It looks like it snowed in here. All right, it's about to get loud, and we'll go to music now before I walk in here. And that way y'all can just see the guys sanding and stuff. Pretty cool. You got Dusty in there. They all have big old masks on. I was walking around without one. But yeah, that's about it for today, guys. We'll come out here again when they're doing the stone and stuff like that. And staining and everything. And just try to keep y'all updated as much as we can. I hope y'all are enjoying these videos. We may come out here and ride the four-wheelers and side-by-sides around and stuff like that tomorrow and get some videos and stuff of some family fun. But that's going to wrap it up for the farmhouse. So we'll see y'all.